Hi guys, I am Vivek. Welcome to my channel Coding World. So today I am going to share with you a new app called Typing Master. Um, this app teaches us how to use our keyboard and it will make us a professional keyboarding person. So let's start the video. Let me show you what I found in the internet about this video. So in the internet it is said that it provides us with our unique needs and it has over 10 hours of customized exercises to make us a professional keyboarding, and it will likely to double and triple our typing speed and save our hours of valuable working time. um, Let me show you how to install and how to download the app. Just type on your browser download typing master 11, then click on this first link, and from here you can download it, then follow the installation process to install the app. Now let's come to the app. We have to type our name here, then just click on this button enter. So this is lesson 1, the home row, and this exercise 1.1, touch typing basics. So let's see and discuss what is it has for us. So here it is said what is touch typing, and after completing the course we will able to do all these things. Now let's come to the next. Here it is said finger position. um, by the image we are getting to know that we have to place our finger on these buttons, and our thumb should be rest on the space bar. Then pressing keys, it is said from which finger we have to press the keys. Interested, from which finger we have to press which key. Then learning tips, we should keep our eyes on the monitor, keep wrist up and focus on accuracy. Now let's begin. uh, the next is this exercise home row, and from here we will come to the practical part. So in this lesson we will learn about the home row. Clicking on the next, it is said that which finger we have to place on the keys. By the image we are getting to know that we should place these four fingers on ASDF, and the right fingers on JKL and semicolon. Now next, and our thumb should be rest on the space bar, um, which I have told you earlier. Now Now it's the practical part, it is starting. We have to type A S D, like this. The exercise will go. um, so all this for this app, guys. And if you want, I can bring further videos on this app. So thank you so much, guys, for watching these videos, and I will see you in my next video.